Feed the birds already. Get out of my shot.
I feel like dumping all of this out.
Give some to Jasmine.
Here, Freddie, grab some. No, not that.
You give it to her.
Betty.
Yeah, you take it, Jazz. Go. Give it to the birds. You want to give it to the birds? Go. Say here, birdies. Gonna feed more, Jazz? There's more ducks over here, guys.
Mom, watch it.
Don't chase them, please.
Funny.
That one's coming to me! Give me please! That duck is coming to me!
Hey, quack, quack. Quack, quack.
Go grab some from over there. It's hungry.
Mom, if you could sit here to get some over here.
Give them some.
No, I'm...
You give it to him. Hold your hand out.
That's fun.
Put this in the trash. Here, Nana, here's some right here. Go, Babas, feed the birds.
Mom, no, that one has no wings.
Yeah, it does.
Mom, look at dog. Completely white.
What is wrong with it, huh? Probably no toes. It looks like it.
Where is it? No.
That one's right there. Has no toes. You want some more? You feeding the ducks? Yeah? Big old fat one. Here. Here. Give it to him. Empty it out like this. Look. Nana. Go like this. Empty it out. Go. There you go. There you go. Good job, Nana. Good job. All right. Here, Babas, put this in the trash. There's this one. That one's hard.
It is hard.
It's okay, little pieces.
Yeah.
And throw those in the water. She doesn't know how to. She's gonna throw the whole thing. Go with Lala, guys. Lala has it. She's always eating. Right next to my feet. Ooh, ooh. Had to be pigeons, though. Hey, share with your brother.
I know. I'm trying to break this.
Well, give him some. You guys give some to Jasmine. Go with Lala.
Actually, I should do some of my bread in today. It's not so messed up.
Finish it. Look at Bubba's. Achilles, you be nice to the birds. You be nice to the birds.
Is that recording?
Mama need help.
Doesn't even taste good. Give it.
Toss it.
Jasmine! Jasmine's coming in mud.
Jasmine, don't do that. Toss it. Hold on. Chi-Chi's gonna help you, Achilles. Give it to Chi-Chi. That's fun, huh? Fresh.
Hey, Mom, look, the pigeon.
Oh, there's the white one.
That's a girl.
I don't know what that is. It's something.
It's a dove. Mom, it's a girl.
Jasmine, are you okay?
Mom, what is
Jasmine? Jasmine? Come here. Jasmine!
How did you pet a bird?
You can't pet a bird.
Why? Well,
You can't.
Well,
Go with Lala. Look at Lala has bread. Look. Go with Lala. Delilah has bread. Go. Go with Lala. Look, Lala has bread. Go. Say Lala.
Do ducks like seeds?
No, I don't think so.
throw it. No, eat. Throw.
I should have gotten my sandals.
Mhm.
What are we gonna do after this?
Lala, squirrel. He's super close to me. Ah! Mhm.
Oh my God, no!
Look at him.
Ah! Look at those squirrel hands!
That was too funny. Babas, look at the squirrel. Don't chase it, just look at it. No, he already has a full one. Look at his little hands. Mm-hmm. Go. Give them some, guys. Go get that bread and throw little pieces to him. Get the bread, and give him little tiny pieces.
He's right gone, look.
Throw it, Achilles, right next to him.
You gotta wait till he's done eating it.
Mom, look.
Oh, my sexy toes? Oh no.
No.
Okay, the bird, yeah. The bird? Or my sexy toes.
Both.
Oh. Yeah, let's get them both in the shot.
Look, it's coming super close.
I know. It's because I got all these breadcrumbs right here. Why don't you get in there and help them? Go have some fun. Come on, Cheech.
Look at that one.
I know.
Look at that fat one.
Super fatty. Look at that. That one must eat McDonald's.
Are doves female pigeons?
Doves could be dudes or chicks. Go. Pass out bread.
There's one more bed.
Hmm?
The squirrel's back. I'm gonna
Give them little pieces at a
okay,
time.
I'm gonna throw this out. Seeds. That's right, squirrel. Eat that seed. Open! Yeah.
Okay, Achilles, I'm watching.
Oh, I got him out.
Don't give him
Oh.
until he's almost done, and then you throw another piece.
Go, stupid seagull. Stay away. Mom, look at it.
Look at him.
With his little hands.
That is too cute. Like, that's nutrition-y. What if I had some ham with this? No, wait, no. Not ham. Not ham. Some steak.
Stick.
Maybe with a little bit of steak sauce.
Stick sauce.
There's some
Oh, Kelly.
juicy potatoes.
I want to burn.
Hold on, babe.
I'll get the one. Kelly's trash.
Okay, he's almost done.
Okay, toss him another one.
Crap. Right after.
You want more,
Wait,
Nana?
he's done. He's looking for more. He took mine. No, he didn't. Yes, take it. Back, seagull.
Here, Nana, little pieces, okay?
Back, seagull.
Here, Kelly, throw this in
Little
the trash.
pieces. Look, like this, Nana.
Look at his hands. Look at his face.
Ooh, he said, don't look at me.
Throwing it. Awesome.
Lavas. You guys are scaring him away because the birds are coming next to him.
Kelly, don't throw any
Look at these
birds.
dorks. Look at these dorks over here.
Go.
Over there.
Go, go, go.
You guys, go
Achilles,
over there with the girls.
go!
Stop, Achilles.
Run away.
Go over there with the dorks, the little ones. Go with the little ones. Achilles,
Yes, he
leave
took
the
it.
squirrel alone.
Great, Achilles.
Here. Say thank you.
Did you?
I told you guys to go over there. They got big ones.
Yeah, mostly all of them over there.
You want another one more?
Mom, I want the big one.
More? Say thank you. Jasmine, don't eat it. Give it to the birds.
Mom, we can do this.
Nana, don't. Don't.
Mom,
What?
Mom, I gave it
Took it. Took all of it. The whole thing. The whole bazinga.
Mom, look, I gave it some bread.
I need some bread.
Let me walk over there. We'll save this bread for more down there, okay? You want more, Jess? Say bye. Say bye.
Bye.